So, of course, we don't have a whole lot of time here, but I'll give you 3 contemplations that you can write down, and then you can do it at home or somewhere during this conference here. And the first contemplation is in relation to living, and we did the contemplation in relation to dying earlier, is what is your definition of living? Or what is your definition of life? Like when we say, this life. And second, the contemplation is, what are your biggest challenges for living well? Now, what does living well mean, and what are the biggest challenges for you? And the third contemplation is same as earlier, right? Living or dying is the same thing. What would you like to change or stop? And what would you like to continue? In order to accomplish living well. And so from basic Buddhist principle in relation to living well is connected to the idea of training our mind. Training our mind we can only train our mind when our mind is already tame. Like the horse, like a wild horse. When you catch a wild horse, first you have to tame it, and then you can train it to do different things. And so therefore, the taming process of mind is working with meditation, meditation process of calming our mind, meditation process of clearing our mind, and experiencing the basic space of mind, the quiet space, calm space. And then within that, we can proceed with training our mind in compassion, love, a genuine love, and sharpening the wisdom. And so, this is a long, topic that you can continue to research through books and the speakers here. And what I would like to conclude here is with some questions. Is there a real division between life and death? That's a really important question for us. And secondly, why do we regard death as something apart from life? And thirdly, is that separation real or merely arbitrary? An arbitrary thing of the mind, of the thought. So thank you very much for listening and being here at Nalanda West. I'm really excited about this conference. It's a great blessing, and it's only possible because of all of your interests. And so thank you for your genuine interest, and we should perhaps remember that our genuine interest in this topic is not only for ourselves, but to help other beings. And so whatever we learn here, it would be really beneficial if you can share it with your friends, family, and other strangers who are in need. I always tell this story. My sister had a flat tire on New York Thruway, and she was trying to get help from people, and nobody stopped for a while, and then finally an older gentleman stopped and changed her tire. I can't understand why she can't change it. As a brother, it's so easy. But anyway, she had an older gentleman stop and change the whole tire, and then she offered him some money or some gift, something like that. And the gentleman said, "No, you don't have to give me any gift for doing this, but can you please do me a favor for what I've done to you?" And she said, "Yes, of course, what do you want me to do?" And the gentleman said, "Whenever you see another person in need the next time, can you please stop for that person one time?" So that story really touched my heart. And it's the same here. Whatever we learn here, even if you share it with one person, not too many people we're talking about, just even one person outside this group, if you share it, that will bring great benefit and great joy. So thank you very much for coming here, and I hope you'll have a wonderful conference for the next 4 days.